Here we are on a glorious February morning, the Sark gardening squad ready to fell a leilandi of size, great size. On the chainsaw, Mr. David Scott. On the mechanical pulling device, Mr. Laszlo Kulcha. Spectator over in the corner, Mr. Leon Berlitzen, filming the proceedings also. I'm Wes, your cameraman, and about to get underway, felling an enormous fucking great tree. It's quite an event. People have been gathering for miles and miles to watch this splendid happening. Oh, Mr. Scott, I think he's about to get underway, starting obviously with a gob cut at the front to encourage a good even fall. He's just going round, checking the gob cut. Laszlo looking tentative on his tractor. Leon filming with great intensity and interest. And here we go, Mr. Scott, going around the back of the tree, the rope, taking the strain, and we're about to make the first cut now. Here we go, checking for levels, and we're going balls deep in this tree. This tree has been standing for many years, has been a focal point for the island for many years, and its glorious days are over after becoming unsteady with the wind, the recent weather we've been having now. A slight problem perhaps. Towing, checking his level again. And he's off going. You can see the chippings fly like the blizzard of snow across the Siberian plains. Oh, the sun's going in, hopefully not casting a damp shadow across the proceedings. And the chainsaw revving at great speed. Laszlo there on the tractor, tentatively watching Mr. Scott. Proceedings are halted. The rope quivering in the wind with anticipation of the fall of the mighty tree. Mr. Scott going tentatively. The tree's starting to rock with the great impending fall. This is wonderful to watch. A piece of history in the making here. Absolutely wonderful. It's nice to see Laszlo turning up in beautifully cultured in orange and blue stripes, wearing the still colours, sat astride the John Deere, ready to pull this fucking great tree over. And I think we're getting ready for business now. The tree lurching in its final death throes. Mr. Berlitzen watching with bated breath. And we're all waiting for the signal from Mr. Scott to pull this arboreal behemoth over onto the path. I think we've just had the nod. He's saying, drive forward, we're pulling forward to watch this mighty tree fall, the revving of the John Deere. This could truly be magnificent. Mr. Scott's dipping back in there, the tree's going, and with a mighty crash, it's down. A wonderful sight. People will be talking about this for centuries to come. We'll take a little wander over and have a little word with the driver. How did that go, Mr. Driver?
It went rather smooth,
yep.
I reckon.
Yep.
Today we having a pleasant spell of weather as well. The wind gusts died down.
Yep.
Which is always good.
Absolutely wonderful. That was a treat to watch, Dave. Absolute treat to watch. There have been people watching this with soiled trousers. Wonderful.